Hello, namaste. How are you all? I'm nice. Hope the same from your side. I'm very happy today because Trump makes India great. Yes, many people think that our IT industry will collapse, this and that. But I feel that we Indians, we are having a habit. Only when it is necessary, then only we do something. Otherwise, we are happy with what we are having. Necessity is mother of invention. So, I feel instead of thinking on America, it is better we will think about ourselves. We will think about ourselves. Means why we should buy Coca-Cola or branded things from America? Not necessary. We can use what is prepared in India. We can purchase local things. And you are knowing vocal is local. Vocal is local. And you are knowing to do all this, India has shown the courage. No doubt, till now, America is a great nation. It has helped us a lot. I don't say no. Many of our people go there, work there. No doubt they pay well. But at the same time, our people also giving their services, their knowledge, whatever it is, means it is from both sides. Both are in need of one another. So now India has shown that we are not weak like olden days. That is why India imposed digital tax on Google, Amazon, Apple, Meta and all. Digital tax. If you are earning from our country, then you have to pay 60% tax. So, new rule was passed by India in the digital market, and many other countries are following India. And you are knowing, even the way of talking of American ministers have changed. Just today, I heard the finance minister of America speaking that India is the biggest democracy. She agrees. India is the biggest democracy. And America is the biggest financial capital. Capital of the world, you can. So he feels that we have to go together. Moreover, even he spoke that India can get rid of 25 extra tariffs if it stops buying oil from Russia. Means all these tariffs and all these things are only to pressurize India. They feel that India should walk according to their words. We should follow their words. Why will follow? India is an independent country. It is a sovereign country. Externally independent, internally supreme. So, it is not necessary for us to follow what America tells. So this strength, this courage India has got. And whatever Trump was acting, he was threatening us with the tariffs, this and that. On the contrary, what happened? He himself was trapped in that. The things became costly in America. India was not bothered about the 25% tariffs or 50%. We thought we will find out other markets. Why it is necessary that we should sell it only in America? We can sell it elsewhere as well. Never America or any other country in the world thought that India is so strong, and India showed it to the full world what India is today. So, all Indians are ready to support the nation. So, we all have decided we will use indigenous goods, that is Swadeshi, that is what is prepared in by the local people, and that is why we say vocal is local. Not necessary, we can survive, we will do. No one thought that India will have this much guts. Why it happened? Whether we were able to become so strong, is it overnight? No. It was the consistent effort and support by the government. Because of the consistency, Indians were able to do that. And we know that Indians are brilliant. Even in America, you can see they have reached the CEO level. That is why everyone knows that we Indians are having enough intelligence. We can manage. No doubt, for time being or short term, we may find some difficulties. It happens everywhere. When the challenges come, when you want to overcome challenges, you have to fight against it. No doubt we have to face some difficulties, but we will do it for a better tomorrow. We are ready. We all Indians are ready in support of our government, because government is supporting our farmers, our people, our small industrialists, everyone. So it is our duty also to support the government in this matter. So today, tariffs, nobody is bothered. On the contrary, even in the world, other countries have started supporting India and praising India. So today, Donald Trump has been caught in his own trap. Even Adam Smith, father of economics, had told that there should be free trade. No doubt, free trade, as he told, may not be possible today. So we are having bilateral trade. We are having, you are knowing, a different trade policies and all. But any trade policy should not be in such a way that it is going to pressurize someone to do something. We are independent. We can buy oil from Russia or from anywhere. It is not necessary we should listen to America. It is our country, our nation. We are ready to take our own decisions. So, I thank Donald Trump for making India great. Have a nice day.